Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by preparing only what's necessary so the game runs. Make an apple sprite, a basket sprite, and a backdrop. Place the basket at bottom center and the apple at top with randomized X. Create variables score, lives, and apple speed and set score to 0 and lives to 3. Once done, attach a forever loop to the apple to glide downward using apple speed. This gives motion and lets you tweak difficulty. Make sure to name costumes for hit and miss feedback. You now implement the core mechanics. Use a forever loop to change Y by negative apple speed so the apple falls, and when Y 180, reset Y to top with a random X between minus 230 and 230. Use an if touching basket block to increment score, play a catch sound, and broadcast a caught message. Then hide and wait briefly before showing a new apple. If the apple passes the bottom without touching, decrement lives and flash a miss costume so the player sees consequences. Increase apple speed gradually to raise challenge. To finish, add interface elements so you show score and lives prominently and create a game over sequence that broadcasts game over and stops scripts. This gives closure. Polish with catch and miss sounds, a brief particle effect or costume change, and a restart button that resets variables and apple speed. If things go wrong, check common issues. Ensure variables are global for all sprites, confirm the basket's hitbox matches its costume, and verify apple resets off-screen rather than inside.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.